Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to learn about some of the input devices. We learned about CPU and now we are going to learn about input devices. In the previous class, we learned about mouse, keyboard and digital camera. In this class, we are going to learn about optical mark reader, magnetic ink character reader, and barcode reader. These are some of the input devices. So the first device is optical mark reader or OMR. Normally this OMR is used for examination, that means for multiple choice question answers we use this optical mark reader. Normally there will be an optical mark sheet, OMR sheet, and in that so many options will be there and you can mark the answers either with pen or pencils. An optical mark reader is a device that reads pencil or pen marks on a specially designed sheet of paper. Such sheets are known as OMR sheets. Now the second device is magnetic ink character reader. So this magnetic ink character reader, mainly this is used to read the contents in a check. An MICR, that is the short form of magnetic ink character reader, is commonly used in banks to read the special characters printed at the bottom of the check. You can see the magnetic ink character at the bottom of the check. So in order to read that, we can use magnetic ink character reader. These characters are printed in magnetic ink. An MICR reads those characters and sends this information into a computer. And these magnetic ink characters are difficult to duplicate and hence are used extremely in bank checks and drafts. So there will be a device in the picture. You can see that device. This device is used to read this magnetic ink character. Okay. Next one is barcode reader. In the picture you can see the barcode reader and the barcode. A barcode is a group of vertical lines or bars. In the picture you can see so many vertical lines, black and white lines are there. These bars contains information about the product on which it is printed. A barcode reader scans the barcode and sends the information in it to a computer. And in this barcode, there will be name, price, etc. So this barcode reader device reads this barcode and sends these information into a computer. This barcode you can see on the price tag when you go to the textiles or when you go to the supermarket. So these are the input devices in this chapter. Okay, I think you know about QR code, that is quick response code. QR code is a type of barcode that can be read using a smartphone. QR code are more useful than barcodes as they can store text, email, websites, phone numbers and more. So that is also a type of barcode. Clear? Next we are going to learn about memory of computer. Memory is the hardware where the data and instructions are stored. Memory is mainly of three types: primary or main memory, secondary memory and cache memory. These are the three types of memory. Now we are going to learn about primary or main memory. Primary memory holds the data and instructions on which a computer is currently working. Primary memory is small and cannot hold a large amount of data. The data in it is lost when the computer is switched off. So these are the things about primary memory. It is very small in size and the data is lost when a computer is turned off. And primary memory is mainly divided into two types. First one is random access memory and the second one is read only memory. First we are going to learn about random access memory. The short term is RAM. RAM is a place in a computer where the data and instructions in current use are kept. In the picture you can see a RAM. RAM consists of memory chips. A CPU can read data from it and also write data onto it in a very short time. RAM is also called volatile memory because it stores data only as long as the power is turned on. So these are the things about RAM. And a memory chip is an integrated circuit made up of millions of transistors. Data or programs can be stored in it. In your 5th standard, you learned about these transistors and memory chip. The second type of memory is read-only memory. Read-only memory or ROM, R-O-M, tells the computer what to do after you switch on it. A CPU can only read data from it. ROM is a permanent memory system as the data once written on it remains fixed and cannot be changed. ROM is also called non-volatile memory because it does not lose data even after the power is turned off. So these are the important things about read-only memory and random access memory. And you need to learn about the difference between RAM and ROM. It is there in your page number 6. All of you read the storage facility, nature and use of RAM and ROM. All of you read your textbook carefully, understand it well. Take care. Bye.